Reality is, with all these NFT projects, I know a lot of people may get a little bit worrisome, but in terms of projects and constant updates for certain NFT projects, no shade on maybe some of these NFTs, but overall, maybe some of them are always trying to keep the community updated, especially with the ones I'm going to be posting in this video. So really looking forward to all these constant updates and all the beneficial reasons why the community is really strong, especially with Theta NFTs, but that is the whole purpose of my channel. So let's get on to the rest of the reason why these NFTs are definitely something to highlight about. What up, Theta homies? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you are new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Theta wallet address, but more on that later. But now diving in onto all these projects, especially on Theta Network, the NFTs concept. So starting off on Twitter, we're probably going to highlight more of the Theta drop NFTs first, and then segue into the open Theta NFT, so definitely bear with me. So going on to Passaways first, on Twitter we're going to see that here on Passaways Theta NFTs saying that codename ESSU. I did do a previous breakdown in terms of this code. So going on to the most recent bullet point number 3, the serum has been injected into a say gummy candy codename ESSU, which Passaways seem to have a weakness for. This project overall has something really looking forward to for the near future, especially with its Plasm token, NFT staking, and how that utility is definitely going to be for the near future. So something to really look forward to, guys. There's been like a little bit, I would like to say, more hush in terms of this project, but there's been slowly some updates here and there, but not an overall project. It's been a little bit more quiet, but now seeing that here on August 17th 2022 that there has been some sort of update. Going on to the Order of the Tigons, seeing that things over at Order of the Tigons are heating up, getting ready for blast off back to Tigonia soon. When you click on this actual tweet itself, it says first humans to touch down on Tigonia. They hadn't the slightest clue of the mysteries of the Kawagan crystal. Behold, Tigons 1, human 0. By the way, the theories about UFOs, yeah, about that, it was actually the Tigons on Space Yaks. So as you can tell here, they are also on the sandbox in terms of their NFT project. So something to really look forward to for having these Tigons you can incorporate into the real game, and something to really look forward to, especially with the community. So definitely check out all these Theta discords if you have not yet already. Going on to another type of project, we're going to see Theta Drop tweeted, collect the next Idol Philippines winner, own bronze, silver, and gold cards featuring your favorite Idol Philippines contestants. Drop starts tonight on August 17th 2022, so I'll definitely hit that more on the near the end of this video because it's more of the recent projects. Going on to Open Theta, seeing the 1,000th Theta Teeth has been sold earlier today. Congratulations, Theta Teeth hunters, and thanks for your support. 62.90 TVO worth of cashback has been sent, and we are having a celebratory giveaway for Tier 2 holders soon. Read more about the rewards here. I definitely did break down this NFT project earlier, especially in the year when Theta NFTs were becoming more popular, so definitely check out my previous video altogether. I'll try to post it down below, but if you don't see it, definitely type in Theta Teeth and then Justin Passetti. You will probably most likely find something, some sort of YouTube video on that I highlight here. Going on to another project, seeing that when this is done, West Fighter, Mystic Gurus Fighter, and Kitty Fighter Tigon Tamer won't stand a chance. This is the ThetaLands NFT project. So going on here, looks like it's another sketch, seeing the first sketch of the fight for CMC, Theta Punk Fighter, logo, Theta Gon Dragon, and pixel tattoos are missing here. We welcome your feedback, Theta fam and Punk collectors. Comment down below. Here's a quick look on what this project is altogether. It looks really cool. It does look like Theta Punk and when you're scrolling down through these pictures. So here's the Theta Punk, and it's just something to look forward to in terms of the art. And I really can't wait till this fighting game is released for those, because I'm a huge gamer altogether myself. I did grow up with the gaming, but the video that they showed on ThetaLands, if you have not seen their video yet, shows some promise, especially with the type of fighting game that is out there already. Kind of reminds me of like Tekken or Mortal Kombat, you would like to say, or even Dead or Alive, but more I would like to say probably Mortal Kombat. But going on to another one, seeing that here's ThetaCon. Join us for this epic event later in December 2022. Get your tickets this Saturday, August 20th at noon Eastern EDT. And then here's the type of packages and the type of pricing that's currently available for this event altogether. So definitely, if you are available to go and you can afford it, definitely never financial advice on my part, but definitely do your own research before investing any income or any events or any NFTs altogether. But it's just something to have the community together in real life for the first time, I would like to say. So it's just something, more events and something else to look forward to for the rest of the season. here, as there's going to be occurring in December later this year, but that is also one meta chain is definitely going to be released, at least based on the timeline, so hopefully everything hits on the correct timeline. Going on the Theta drop themselves, here is the collection for the Idol Philippines Season 2. As you can tell, here is the first one, the Platinum ticket, and it's not available yet because it's not released, but when you see this video, it will definitely be released, so if you are interested in these NFTs, they should be available at the current time. Going into a little bit more of the details, you can see the NFT in the beginning right here. Hopefully it loads, but it's not loading right now. Here's the type of NFT. So as you can tell, here's the actual version of it. It says Idol Philippines, and then it flips over to congratulations. Scrolling down just a little bit more, here's the type of details. Here's an exclusive opportunity for Idol Philippines superfans and platinum ticket holders. Get the chance to watch Season 2 finale live on September 17 and 18 and have a group photo op with the next Philippine Idol. Redeem this NFT for entry for the event. Televised live show of Idol Philippines Season 2 must be redeemed before 4 p.m. Filipino time. I believe that's Filipino time on September 16th. And here is more in terms of precautions in terms of the event based on the rules and governance in the Philippines currently. So going up here, you can tell that there is 100 editions, and then here is the actual NFT itself. Scrolling down a little bit more, you do have the finalist pack, the Try Rarity. When you click on this, you do see the quantity is 2,400. And going on to the detail, it says collect the NFT cards of your favorite Idol hopefuls. Open the packs to receive a random contestant with different levels of rarity from Idol Philippines Season 2. You will randomly receive a contestant card from the following selections: 2 bronze cards, or 1 silver card, or 1 gold. As I said before, there is about, 2,400, and you can see the prices for each individual NFT. So the pack is about $16, and the platinum ticket is about $36. So definitely comment down below what you guys think about the prices altogether for this Theta drop NFT and the event. I personally believe that they're handling this type of go around with American Idol NFTs a lot better than the initial drop, so that more people are included, as well as having more people actually go to the event, which I do believe is a lot better for the NFT, as well as getting more people on the Theta network and Theta drop ecosystem altogether if they are not already a part of the system. But definitely comment down below what your guys' thoughts are on any of the projects that I mentioned, what you guys think about Theta network NFTs, how they are doing in comparison to any other projects so far this year, and really looking forward to any type of comment in regards to Theta network. Any questions, I really do appreciate, guys. And if you are new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe one. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Theta wallet address for any kind of Theta, T-Fuel, or TNT20 donations. Really do appreciate it, guys. If you're new, if you're an OG viewer and subscriber, welcome back, and really looking forward for the next video. But you guys, you know how it is. Until the next one, it's your boy Justin Passaways, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.